Found a security camera here. It's probably got some copper in it. I think I got my screwdriver and it's got, look. That right there just needs to be unscrewed, I think. So I'm gonna unscrew it real quick and take the plug. Alright, hold on. Alright, so here we go. It's got a screw right here. Let's screw this off. And what does that even do? Does that even do anything? I never scrapped a security camera before, so I don't know. But I'm definitely going to take the cord off. I know that's copper. Might just throw it. That ain't working. I don't know how to scrap this. I've never scrapped a security camera before, guys. If you guys know how to scrap security cameras, please let me know in the comment section down below if you know about security cameras. I don't know anything about them. But I feel like I should, but I don't. So, but this is definitely gonna take the cord. Hold on, guys. So, got my knife here. Gonna cut this cord off. Definitely copper cord here. I'm gonna cut the ends off. Throw this in the dumpster. Oh, look what we got here. Oh yeah, baby, we got some twin fans. These are electric motors here. I just grabbed this out the dumpster. I didn't know it was in there until I grabbed it out. Awesome. Alright, so I found a bunch of these in the dumpster here. Some more cords. Yeah, still trying to get this open too. I guess I gotta bust the glass open. So, trying to get this out. Trying to get this thing open. I know there's copper in this thing. Oh, okay. Now it's starting to open. Okay, so I can just pull this out. Still trying to get this thing open, man. gonna take this with me, try to get it much as destroyed as I could, but I don't know, it's not wanting to come out, so I'm just gonna keep it, take it with me. I got my copper cords, and that's it. I didn't take the fan thing because I don't think I was gonna get any money for it. So, and I couldn't get it open. So yeah. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.